What do you do when you're trying to sell in a competitive niche or you have an NDA and you can't share your work? That was a question from my friend Shantanu. He is in the IC Framework family and he is a video editor in Goa, India. And I wanted to break down his email script to see what is he doing wrong and how can we implement this strategy for other video editors around the world. Here's the email template he was sending out that had no response. Now, they call me the cold email king for a reason. We're gonna look at this email script throughout this video. We're gonna rebuild it from the ground up and make it something that will convert so that Mr. Shantanu can have more clients than he can possibly imagine. So let's go in, pull this doc up, and tear it down and build it up for you guys today on Cold Email Teardowns. Let's go. Shantanu started by sending this email script out. Subject, quick question. Hi, Jacek. Love the videos you do, especially the Bora Bora one. Gonna visit that place someday. I specialize in doing high quality video editing and making attractive thumbnails for YouTubers in the travel and lifestyle niche. Last month, I did a video for a YouTuber from California, which got them thousands of views. Would love to do the same for you. Mind if I send over a few times to chat? After asking for help, he made a list of 100 money YouTubers to pitch his video editing services, and I have the lead list right here. So let's take a look at what he's doing. And one, let's figure out why it's not converting. And two, let's rewrite this campaign into something that will convert. So here's what I would do with this campaign, because you look at this email, and sure, there are things that I would improve about this email off the bat. And I could say rewrite it with the 3 C's, et cetera, et cetera. But it's not always the email script's fault. Sometimes it's the offer. And in this case, it's the leads. Look at the leads here. So the anxious investor, 10,000 subs. Tom Heavey, 100,000 subs. Jake Bro, 81,000 subs. So what I'm seeing here are, first of all, half these YouTubers in this send don't have email addresses. So let me make a copy of this and let's figure out what's going on with these leads here. By the way, if you're liking the insights so far, just go ahead and like this video and subscribe down below. Most of you aren't subbed, so if we want to increase the number of subs, it's up to you. So go ahead and subscribe down below, smash that like button, and leave a comment. What do you think of the video so far? So you could tell me, hey Alex, I have a list of 100 leads to send to. And I would be like, okay, but how many have email addresses? Well, 30-ish, maybe 40. So all of a sudden, now you're only sending to 40. Second things second, that was the first things first. Second things second is, look at this email. I specialize in doing high quality video editing and making attractive thumbnails for YouTubers in the travel and lifestyle niche. Travel and lifestyle niche, okay? So what are you expecting when you look at the list of leads? You're expecting a list of YouTubers in the travel and lifestyle niche, correct? Well, what do we have? Crypto Fiend, 100,000 subscribers. This isn't travel and lifestyle. So why is the cold email not converting, even though it seems like it follows the 3 C's? Is you specialize in doing high quality video editing and making attractive thumbnails for YouTubers in the travel and lifestyle niche, but your lead list is not in the travel and lifestyle niche. So I would start there. Here's what I would change with Shantanu's email here. 1, build a new list of leads only in the travel and lifestyle niche. No crypto, no investing, no tutorials, clean leads, right? Only find YouTubers with email addresses. And then 3, send to 200 people and report back. That's the thing. It's not always about tearing down and rebuilding the email script itself. There are some things I would change about this email script. So for instance, hi Jacek. I would just say based on the leads, you gotta email people that can afford you to. Here, only focus on YouTubers with over 100K subscribers. I saw a bunch on that list that were 10K, 20K, like these guys aren't gonna pay for this. Stock Up, Wealth Hacker, Crypto Visor. Like if you want to specialize in crypto, then do crypto. But if you don't tell me you're going to specialize in lifestyle editing and then email a bunch of crypto people, they have no need for your service. Last month, I did a video for a YouTuber from California, which got them thousands of views. Would love to do the same. And you know what? I don't want to change this email. I want to have him follow this and maybe get back Maybe we'll do a follow-up on this cold email teardown. But I actually would not change this email script. This is a great example of a cold email teardown where the email's actually okay. It's the lead generation that's wrong. So fix the leads and you fix the campaign. Now, how do you find good quality influencer leads? Well, a couple tools that I would look at for you. The first one is scrapegram.io. My friend Sasswiz owns this one, but it allows you to scrape emails from Instagram. And so you could pull people that say they're YouTubers or lifestyle YouTubers from Instagram. Also, if you have more money and you want to do a full influencer campaign, then I would check out the influencer marketing platform Upfluence. Upfluence lets you go through and find YouTubers inside of their tool, but it is expensive. It's over $1,000 a month. So that's not 100% recommended for this guy. Alternative, right? I just gave you Scrapegram. I just gave you Upfluence. Now, the last thing I would do, if you don't want to break the bank, the middle package is to go over to Upwork and hire lead generators with the criteria that we just talked about. So, for instance, you'd log in. This should really be in a paid course, but I'm doing it for free because this is just how I operate now. It's okay. This is life. So I would go to Upwork and I would make a job post like this. Lead generator needed, lifestyle and travel, YouTubers over 100K. Lead generation, prospect list, data scraping, list building, scope small, worldwide, project budget of, let's say you're trying to find 400 leads. Let's do like $20 for that. Looking for 400 leads with the following criteria. Lifestyle and travel YouTubes over 100K subscribers. No revenue. Must deliver validated emails in the correct niche. Please include name, channel name, email address, link to most recent video, title of most recent video. That way you can pull it in here and you can avoid writing the custom first line. So I would write something like this and then post your job and see what happens. Question for the audience. What service do you offer? Is it in a highly competitive market as well? Let me know what you offer down below. And if you want to have access to all my courses, be part of an amazing community of awesome people, and start working to increase your revenue, build your business, grow your agency, and dominate in the year 2022, then check out Email 10K. You can go over to email10k.com and join and get access to every course we have ever made or will ever make. Thanks for watching. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube. Subscribe down below, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.